This multifunctional screen and keyboard cleaning kit can handle a wide variety of jobs. The company did send me this in exchange for this video. Let's have a closer look. Tiny spray bottle, brushes, screen cleaner. This is a replaceable cleaning pad. You get 2 of them. Multi-fiber cloth, some replacement cleaning pads. Here's my iPad screen. You can see it's kind of dirty. Let's see how well it does. The little spray bottle, give it a few squirts. I'll use the wiping tool. Oh, wow. That does a great job. Not that it's needed, but I'll use the lint-free cloth. It is spotless. It's hard to show that there's nothing on it, but believe me, there is nothing on it. This little surface can clean smaller screens. Nice. Oh, that really worked well. That really worked well. This tool can clean inside your earbuds case. The large brush can get in and clean the hard to reach spaces of your keyboard. This is the key puller. It's pretty simple to use. Pull straight up. And then you can get in, clean out those impossible to reach places. Finally, there's this fountain pen attachment with a little brush here. This is for getting into the very small speaker grill holes and digging out any dirt or grime. And if you need a little brush. Now that it's all packed up, you can throw it in your briefcase, throw it in your carry-on bag, or even slip it in your pocket. I think this is the type of product that you will use far more often than you think you'll use it. It certainly comes in handy in a lot of use cases.